कितनी देर में 10 minutes This is a good money. I'm sharing.
ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಅದು ಲೇಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸರಿ
You can share this here. And this is the link of the studio. It will be potential studio. Bottom this is like it's sharing, it's broadcasting. So one like it has the broadcasting. This one. काय की क्लास मजाक में नहीं
गेस्ट आते ऑनलाइन ना गेस्ट आते ऑनलाइन उसको మామూలు This stage is not visible to us. Stage is not visible.
We haven't switched on the camera or we are not sitting.
Yes, yes. Hello. Please. Just tell about just a little extra. From this room, this room, हाँ 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 तीन लोग एक्स्ट्रा है तो उनको नहीं बताया चेक कर लेना हाँ ठीक ठीक नहीं ठीक ठीक चलो 12:30 Hey, photos.
A very good morning to one and all present here. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you to the inaugural session of the Health Hackathon 2026, Improving Health Access for All, jointly organized by VIT Bhopal University in collaboration with Johns Hopkins University, USA.
Today marks the beginning of an inspiring journey where innovation, technology, and compassion come together to address real world healthcare challenges. We are truly honored to have our esteemed leaders, academicians, researchers, and young innovators with us today.
We now request everyone to kindly stand for the invocation, prayer, seeking blessings for the success of this meaningful initiative.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் பதனமென திகழ்பரதர் கண்டனில் தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த காவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழவை திறன் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you all. Kindly be seated.
Light symbolizes knowledge, hope, and clarity, guiding us towards progress and new beginnings. To begin this event, may I now invite our respected dignitaries to kindly come forward and grace the occasion by participating in the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, symbolizing the spirit of innovation. Thank you, respected dignitaries.
To formally welcome the gathering and set the tone for today's proceedings, we now invite our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. T.B. Sridharan sir, to deliver the welcome address. Sir, we request you to kindly take the podium.
Very good morning to all of you. A warm welcome to one and all present here. A warm welcome to all of you. Our VIT Bhopal University, in association with John Hopkins University USA, organizes Health Hackathon 2026 with the aim to improve the health access for all during 11th and 12th of February 2026. First, I invite the chief patron of this Health Hackathon, our visionary leader, founder, chancellor, Honorable Dr. G. Vishwanathan sir. I warmly welcome sir for this Health Hackathon. I invite the patron of this Health Hackathon 2026, our beloved humble Vice President, Sri Shankar G. Vishwanathan sir. Indeed, I am happy and proud of your presence in this Health Hackathon, sir. A warm welcome to you, sir. I invite and warmly welcome most respected Assistant Vice President, Ma'am, Mrs. Kadambari S. Vishwanathan, Madam. I invite and warmly welcome most respected Trustee, Ma'am, Mrs. Ramani Balasundar, Madam. I invite all of them. It's indeed my pleasure and privilege to invite our chief guest of this inaugural function, Dr. Arun Balakrishnan, sir, the Chief Scientific Officer, Omni Active Health Technologies, Mumbai. I know him for last 24 years, and we all served with the same boss, Professor Kuntala Jayaraman. And I warmly welcome you, sir, on behalf of IIT Bhopal University and on behalf of Health Hackathon 2026. I invite our honorable guest of honor of today's function, respected Dr. Virendra Kumar, sir, the Director of Technical Education, Government of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Sir has completed his PhD from National Institute of Technology, Himarpur, and he has held various positions in Government Engineering College, Jabalpur, like principals, head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I warmly welcome you, sir, for this Health Hackathon 2026 on behalf of IIT Bhopal University. I invite and warmly welcome co-patron of this Health Hackathon, Professor K.K. Nair, Acting Registrar, IIT Bhopal University. I warmly welcome you, sir. I invite a co-patron of this Health Hackathon 2026, Dr. Sridevi Sharma, the Vice Dean for Graduate Education, Whitting School of Engineering, Professor Biomedical Engineering, Associate Director, Institute of Computational Medicine, John Hopkins University. Madam is appearing online in the Zoom. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. I invite and warmly welcome the convener of this Health Hackathon, Dr. Yusuf Yazdi, Associate Professor, Biomedical Engineering, Executive Director, Whitting School of Engineering, John Hopkins University, USA. I warmly welcome you, sir. Sir is appearing online. I invite and warmly welcome the convener of this Health Hackathon, Dr. Hedvi Alavi, the Teaching Professor, Associate Dean of Global Partnership, Program Chair for Environmental Engineering, Science Management and Sustainability Programs, Whitting School of Engineering, Johns Hopkins University, USA. I warmly welcome you for this Health Hackathon, sir. I invite and warmly welcome Dr. Srinivasan, the Director of International Relations Office, IIT University, Vellore. I invite all the coordinators of Health Hackathon. On behalf of IIT Bhopal University, I welcome the chief patron, co-patron, co-conveners, judges of various panels, deans, directors, program chairs, division heads, professors, research scholars, student volunteers, student participants, faculty members of VIT, Vellore, VIT, Andhra Pradesh, all other institutions, ladies and gentlemen, present media. I warmly welcome you all for this Health Hackathon 2026. With this brief note, I conclude my welcome speech. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those encouraging and insightful words. Your words have inspired and motivated us as we begin this journey.
Now, please invite Honorable Shankar Vishwanathan, sir, to felicitate our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Arun Balakrishnan, and Honorable Dr. T.B. Sridharan, sir, to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. Virendra Kumar, sir. Thank you so much, sir. We are truly grateful for your esteemed presence. Now, may I please request Dr. Siddharth Maiti, sir, convener, VIT Bhopal University, to address us about VIT JHU Health Hackathon.
Honorable Chancellor Dr. G. Viswanathan sir, whom unwavering passion for learning has transformed VIT into a globally recognized center of excellence. Respected Vice President Mr. Sankar Viswanathan sir, whose vast international experience and visionary leadership continue to fortify the foundation of VIT. Respected Assistant Vice President Ms. Kadambari is Viswanathan Madam, whose dynamic and inclusive leadership is setting the future of VIT through modern area-oriented campuses. And respected trustee, Mrs. Ramani Balasundaram ma'am, whose strategic vision and unwavering support are instrumentation in bridging education, culture, and community development. We also are honored to have with us today Dr. Arun Balakrishnan, advisor to the CEO of OmniActive Health Technologies, Mumbai, India, and Professor Dr. Virendra Kumar, Director of Technical Education, Government of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Respected Pro Vice Chancellor Sir, Dr. P.V. Sridharan, respected Registrar Sir, Mr. K.K. Nair, respected Deans, dear colleagues, and dear students, a very good morning to all of you. It is both a privilege and honor to address you on this exciting occasion, the Health Hackathon at VIT Bhopal University. The VIT Bhopal John Hopkins University Whittle School of Engineering Health Hackathon served as a collaborative platform between VIT Bhopal University and John Hopkins University, bridging the world of technology, research, and real-world healthcare challenges. This event is designed to bring together professionals, students, and enthusiasts in the field of healthcare technology with a focus of creating scalable, real-world prototypes. Participants will have access to rich database, APIs, and invaluable mentorship from leading industry experts and academic partners. At the heart of this initiative lies a commitment to understanding the complexities of healthcare challenges, fostering collaborative thinking, and developing practical solutions that will have a lasting impact. Moreover, it will also provide students an opportunity to engage beyond the confines of traditional learning and apply their knowledge to real-life problems. I sincerely hope that this health hackathon focuses meaningful dialogue, spark responsible innovation, and cultivates productive collaboration. Thank you, and I wish each one of you a productive and enriching experience. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. It is now our privilege to invite Honorable Vice President, VIT Bhopal University, Mr. Sankar Viswanathan, sir, to address the gathering and share his visions with us.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Arun Balakrishnan, Guest of Honor, Dr. Virendra Kumar. Are you okay? Dear Pro-VT and Dr. Yusuf Yaji, Dr. Hedi Alabi, Dean Director, and my dear students, my dear faculty, good morning to all. Today, Health Hackathon 26 being held today. This program will be from today and tomorrow on. Next 2 days, the competition going on for Health Hackathon. Dear students, please go to attend the function and listen to the function. I know that is 87 university people, that is 231 team members out of 579 members, that is 1160 students attend the program for health competition. That is first prize, 1 lakh rupees. Second prize 50,000. third prize 25,000. I request to committee member, please increase the amount in next year because I want to encourage for all students. I think the clap meaning when you get it boring, it is clapping. When you get it happy, it is clapping. Are you clapping bored or happy? Happy. You can check for Google what is the meaning of the clap. That is very helpful. Okay. Innovative Medicine Hackathon ideas for 2026 focus on AI drive dynamic IoT wearable and bridging gap in rural health care. Top concept including AI mental health companion and smart medicine and management system remote patient monitoring platform for rural area and computer with yearly dedication. Here we actionable category and ideas for medicine hackathon. AI and dynamics, IoT and wearable devices, telehealth and rural asset, mental health and patent support, operation improvement. Key considered for participants, privacy and completed user experience flexible. And I thank many thanks to Chief Guest and Guest of Honor giving up time here for this event. And many thanks John Hopkins USA for supporting and sponsoring. My congrats to Dean and convener, all committee members who organized this event and who are getting a winning prize. I want to visit congrats. But who are winning the prize money don't play game. Don't play dance. Who are losing the game, who are losing the competition, don't cry. Maybe tomorrow you will get a prize also. Okay, all the best. My best wishes to this program. Thank you. Namaskar. Vanakkam.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and forward-looking address. Your vision and guidance continue to encourage us to pursue excellence with purpose. Continuing with the inaugural address, we invite Professor Hedy Alvi, joining us online.
He is the teaching professor and associate dean for global partnerships, program chair environmental engineering, science, management, and sustainability programs, Whiteley School of Engineering, John Hopkins University. Sir, we welcome you to kindly address the gathering.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
A good time and thank you for the opportunity. My name is Hedy Alavi and I am the Associate Dean for Global Partnerships at the Johns Hopkins University School of Engineering. I would like to thank and welcome everyone, including VIP leadership and faculty, student participants, judges, industry partners, and other distinguished guests to Health Hack 2026, an event dedicated to improving healthcare for all. We are proud of our academic collaboration with several peer institutions in India, notably the Noor Institute of Technology, with which we have had developed strong partnerships, including co-hosting these events. Our dean's visit to VIT campuses and his interactions with the leadership and students have been highly rewarding, and we look forward to further strengthening our academic partnerships with VIT. I thank all who contributed to organizing this event, with special recognition of Professor Maiti and Director Srinivasan for leading this effort. On behalf of my colleagues, Vice Dean Sabra and Director Ghazni, who could not be here, we wish you an excellent experience. Enjoy the rest of the program.
for your inspiring thoughts and joining us across borders.
Now, may I please request Honorable Vice President Sankar Viswanathan sir and respected Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. T.B. Sridharan sir to present the memento and certificate of appreciation to our Chief Guest and Guest of Honor.
A huge round of applause.
Thank you so much, sir. We are truly grateful for your esteemed presence today.
We shall now proceed to the introduction of our guest of honor. May I request Dr. Rajiv Singh Pal sir to kindly do the honors.
Respected dignitaries, distinguished faculty members, and dear participants. It is a privilege for me to introduce our esteemed guest of honor, Professor and Dr. Virendra Kumar. He is a distinguished academician and administrator. As already been told, he is presently serving as the Director of the Technical Education, Government of Madhya Pradesh, and he brings with him decades of exemplary experience of academia, having served with the distinction as a professor and head of the Department Mechanical Engineering, as well as principal at the Government Engineering College, Jabalpur. Professor Dr. Kumar holds a doctorate degree from NIT Hamirpur and had made noteworthy contributions in the field of biomechanics and mechanical designs. On behalf of organizing committee and VIT Gopal family, we warmly welcome you, sir. We are deeply honored by your gracious presence today. May I now respectfully invite our guest of honor to kindly address the gathering, please.
Chief guest of the today's function, Dr. Arun Balakrishnan, Advisor, CEO, Omni Active Health Technologies, Mumbai. The Vice President of VIT University, Mr. Shankar Vishwanathan. The Pro Vice Chancellor, VIT Bhopal University, Dr. T.B. Sridharan. The online speaker, Dr. Yusuf Yazdi, JHU. Other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, dear faculty members of VIT, my colleagues, dear students and participants. It's a great privilege for me to be here amongst you and being invited by the VIT family to address you. As far as the hackathon, Health Hackathon 2026 is concerned, it is an event which will not only develop the competitiveness amongst you, but also to teach the failure of the life. As you participate, not only as a student here, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So is the case in the life also. Many times, whatever you think, every time you are going to win. This is not the case as far as the real life is concerned. But as far as the competition is concerned, this emphasizes more. If the failure is there, certainly you learn many things, what you have to improve yourself so that next time you can win also. Such type of event being organized by any institution leads to develop a budding engineers to the real engineers of the world. Because you are, whatever you have developed, that will be shown here. You may win, you may not. But at the same time, whatever the efforts that you have put in, certainly you have learned many things to develop the product that you have. Apart from that, the one of the interesting part, particularly for this health hackathon, is because my research area is basically biomechanics, and I was also talking about the any event that is available here. The group of the students, those are available here. Those who have developed, particularly in biomechanics and particularly in heart tissues. I am grateful that I have been invited here. Thanks to the organizers. At the same time, I would like to congratulate the organizing team, the members, the conveners, and the students, those who are participating in this. And the best luck from my side that you might win the competition also. So thank you for inviting me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the inspiring and meaningful address. Your words have motivated us to think beyond limitations and work towards impactful innovation.
We now come to a distinguished moment of this inaugural session. To introduce our chief guest, we invite Honorable Mr. K.K. Nair, Sir, Acting Registrar, VIT Bhopal University, to the podium.
Good afternoon, respected Chancellor Dr. G. Viswanathan, our most endeared Sri Shankar Viswanathan, Vice President, Trustee Madam, as well as Assistant Vice President, Srimati Kadambari Viswanathan, the chief guest of today's function, Dr. Arun Balakrishnan, Professor Dr. Virendra Kumar sir, the government officials who are here, our international relations coordinators, Dr. Srinivasan, the guests who have joined online from Johns Hopkins University, Eddie, Elvi, Alavi, and others, deans, faculty members, students. It's a privilege to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Arun Balakrishnan, a distinguished scientist and innovation leader whose career reflects a rare convergence of academic excellence and industrial impact. Dr. Balakrishnan is currently the advisor to the CEO at Omni Active Health Technologies Mumbai and has earlier served as Chief Innovation Officer, leading R&D initiatives that resulted in a strong product pipeline with several offerings reaching global markets. He brings over 15 years of academic experience as professor and director of the Center for Biotechnology at Anna University, followed by nearly a decade in industry leadership at Piramal Enterprises Limited, where he headed natural product-based drug discovery and multi-institutional research programs supported by DBT. A PhD graduate of the Cancer Institute, Chennai, with postdoctoral training at the University of California, Berkeley. Dr. Balakrishnan has authored 80 plus research publications, held multiple patents, and serves on several advisory boards. With great respect and honor, I invite our chief guest, Dr. Arun Balakrishnan, to address us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, and thank you very much, sir, for the kind introduction. And my sincere thanks to Shankar Vishwanathan for having invited me here today to be the guest of honor for this hackathon. As a scientist all my life, I spent a lot of time in research labs, both with young students at the time when I was faculty, and subsequently with different levels of scientific caliber people in my industrial experience, both in Piramal Healthcare and also in OmniActives. What I learned during this period is that there is a distinct difference of what we do in university research and what we do in academic, in industry. In university research, we begin to work in our area of expertise, taking things vertically downwards to all depths, understanding specific problems and try to solve the problems, ultimately leading into a publication or a patent. This starts from ideas. Ideas, again, comes in from PhD students those days when we were working in a team in a lab. Subsequently, these ideas need to get translated to form products. Not all ideas get translated to products, but it's a very long journey, and particularly in pharmaceutical research, this journey is as long as 15 to 20 years. The little tablets you see and we swallow when we are sick takes a long time to develop, with more than 100 different disciplines of people working on that. And when it comes into the market, it's a small piece which is used to treat diseases. Now, this hackathon is fundamentally a great initiative in different fields. What I believe what happens during hackathon is ideas that come from young, unbiased minds, which are far superior than those who have gone through a regulated program or coursework to reach to a point of research. Now, these unbiased minds will come up with certain ideas which ultimately may become a billion-dollar product. And it all starts off by a simple hackathon that originates from a competitive relationship that begins at the college level, and then the competition continues as you either become an entrepreneur or work for an entrepreneur. So there are multiple possibilities for these young kids here to map or track their path of career across where they want to dream and become big. Today in India, I think the platform is huge, and we should all use this platform to build ourselves with a lot of ideas that get translated into products. I have to thank VIT Bhopal and Johns Hopkins Engineering Institute, where they have come up with this very innovative title, Health for All, and it's reached to the masses. I think today health is become an area of concern widely because multiple diseases keep cropping up. We age rapidly. Age is again, the longevity has gone up, therefore multiple disorders that relate to age has come in. So there are methodologies by which we either treat diseases or bring in preventive practices to prevent the onset of certain conditions. So in either way, the knowledge in medicine is phenomenally increased by biological research that has come up, particularly the Human Genome Project, which has provided vast amount of knowledge base. And data mining and use of AI and IT technologies has helped us to understand several of these parameters that can be translated into a particular application in the treating of a condition in a disease. So my purpose here is to let you understand that you cannot stand alone in building a product. You have to be collaborative. You have to be interactive with different groups of people, either like-minded or completely different areas, but converge to a certain point of excellence. Now, hackathons can help you in doing that, identifying cross-functional teams, building cross-functional research programs at some point of time, which will help you to move your product into a different level or an idea into a different level, or in also using some of the knowledge which comes out for interspacing process development in technology platforms. So all put together, these novel ideas which originate from your young minds is something which will be of future benefit for the world in solving many different problems. I once again thank the group of organizers here to effectively bring this theme, which is a very critical theme for life in the future, because you know what we got hit in 2020 with COVID is something which we all can never forget. There may be other episodes that can creep in. How can we prevent the wellness? How can we prevent the health? How can we bring in early diagnosis? Are all what I see is listed in this hackathon. I once again thank all the young participants who have come up with a lot of ideas and work put together. I hope some of these things translate into very meaningful products at some point of time, which will then give us the full cycle of innovation. Now, people commonly use this word innovation and invention. Fundamentally, there is a big difference. Invention is what we do in the lab and what we come up with something, some novel finding. But what is innovation? Innovation is the entire cycle from taking this invention in the lab across the development chain, taking it across the development chain, building it into a product, and eventually that product needs to make money. That whole cycle of commercialization of the product is called innovation. So sometimes, you know, people think innovation is all happening of research in the lab. It is this cycle that builds this entire chain, and this happens in any industry, any product development across the different technology platforms or engineering that we are going ahead. So keep that in mind, and keep the second point which I want to also confer is cross-functionality, and keep your contacts, keeping connections. Today you meet some bunch of youngsters here, don't forget them. 10 years down the line, each one of you will be having an industry. You can work together and build better relevant products, or much more an industry that can generate bigger revenues than what you thought would happen. So cross-functionality and maintaining your contacts are your key properties of success in the future. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for an address that was both inspiring and enriching. Your experiences have reinforced the importance of aligning innovation with the needs of society.
When ideas are shared, guided, and supported, they grow into lasting impact. As we move towards the closing of this inaugural ceremony, now it is our honor to invite Professor Rajdeep Singh Payal to address the vote of thanks.
It is indeed a moment of profound privilege and honor for me to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of organizing committee of Health Hackathon 2026, a landmark collaborative initiative between VIT Bhopal and Johns Hopkins University. At the outset, I wish to express my deepest and most sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Arun Balakrishnan. Your address today was both insightful, deeply inspiring, offering valuable perspective down from your academic and industrial journey, leaving all of us truly motivated. We are equally grateful to our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Virendra Kumar. Your words of encouragement and your unwavering faith in the potential of young innovators have installed a renewed sense of purpose and confidence in everyone present. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the esteemed convener, Dr. Alavi from Johns Hopkins University, who joined us virtually from across the globe. Your participation transcending the geographical boundaries and time zones stands as a testament to your commitment to the meaningful collaboration and advancing the global health challenges. We must express our sincere gratitude to the respected management and leadership of the VIT Bhopal University. First and foremost, Honorable Chancellor and Founder, Dr. G. Vishwanathan Sir, respected Vice President, Mr. Sankar Vishwanathan Sir, respected Assistant Vice President, Mrs. Kadambari Vishwanathan Madam, respected Trustee, Mrs. Ramani Balasundaram Ma'am, Pro Vice Chancellor, VIT Bhopal University, Dr. T.B. Sridharan, and Acting Registrar of VIT Bhopal University, Mr. K.K. Nair, for their continued guidance, encouragement, and unwavering support, which have been instrumental in making this initiative a success. A special word of appreciation is reserved for the two conveners at VIT Bhopal itself, Dr. Siddharth Samaiti and Dr. Siddharth Singh Chauhan. Their dedication and meticulous planning has been a cornerstone in making this event possible. I would also like to place on record our sincere thanks to all the organizing committees, including faculty coordinator, external reviewers, student volunteers, technical as well as non-technical supporting staff. Their tireless effort is behind the scene have ensured seamless conduct of the events. Finally, I extend my warmest appreciation to all the participants, the young innovators and problem solvers who have come forward with passion and purpose to address one of the most pressing global health challenges of our time. We hold great expectation from your ideas and solutions that will emerge from your collective effort. As we embark on the next 2 days, we look forward to the journey of inspired thinking, creative problem solving, and meaningful collaboration. From the entire VIT Bhopal Organizing Committee and VIT Bhopal family, I wish a grand success to all the participants. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. With that, we declare Health Hackathon 2026 open. All the very best to all our participants.
We wish you every success ahead and look forward to seeing these ideas shape a better tomorrow.
Good day. Now, may I please request everyone to kindly stand for the national anthem?
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much all. I request all the dignitaries, deans, organizing committee, faculty members to kindly come upon the stage for a photograph. All organizing committee faculty members kindly join us upon the stage. All student volunteers, organizing committee members kindly be on the stage.
All the student committee, please come up on the stage.
All the external participants, you can now move to AB2 for your evaluation.